Hello my charming people, once again welcome back to Stay Charming. In today's video I'm going to make this messy braided bun sort of hairstyle, which is very easy, and this is just perfect for college going girls. It helps to look more younger. So without talking too much, let's get started.
And now I'm taking over for the day, 'cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days, 'cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. 'Cause now I'm falling for love. I'm falling for love.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you really liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell button right next to subscribe button to get notification of future videos. That's all for today guys. I'll meet you later. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye. Take care.